Flex ko lang, ang cute nila. Makalinis sila. Pharaoh! Panther! Cute! Woohoo! Sinigang! Nagpaluto ko kay Lance. Thank you, Lance. And Mommy's here. Natatlo po talaga. Katigin na nila sa kuko mo. May matcha. May matcha sa kuko.
Ilan ba pala?
Sige, try natin. Natin ko na mas masarap. This is Ken Torres. And this is... Ayan, sino yan?
Brightly Happy.
Ayan, Brightly Happy ka dyan. So, sasamahan ko si Mommy manood.
In celebration of Binyan Youth Performance Council's 20th theater season and Binyan Theater Arts Year, the Binyan City Culture, History, Arts, and Tourism Office and Binyan Youth Performance Council
Kaninong boses yan?
National Artist Ronaldo S. Iños, Bésame Mucho, Love Me Forever.
Oh, Pak, ang nanay ko nanood. Thank you. Hi, Mami. Ba't parang pang tablet ng DepEd yung camera ko? God. Lakas ng ulan eh. Inay.
Nothing beats it. Catching on. Merong double-sided pero ito yung didikitan. Konta.
Thank you, Baroness, for the pesto pasta. Matutuwa yung viewers. May kanta pa eh. Denver! Request naman daw lap dance sa bride. Sa bride. Lap dance.
Lagyan nyo ng ano yan. Bésame. Ito yung background view. Bésame mucho.
Yak! Galing ni Peroli yung mata. Nakita niyo yung feeling tsaka sa kitchen. Sa kitchen. Nagalit siya kanina. Sa mga ano ko. Oh, anong kwento?
Ayun na. Draw ang laban ni Pacquiao. So, walang panalo. Withdraw na sana. Naging draw pa.
Kaya walang traffic.
So, wala din tricycle kanina. Bad trip. Di makaalis.
Eh, may late ka lang talaga.
Then, tinapos ko round 12. So, sabi, talo.
Before the show. Hindi siya sumagot.
At talaga na performing arts at bawat paleso ng aking pinensi, lalo na siya.
Dinaside din to ni Papa P. Ah, nice. Awa naman siya. 4 na beses siya nagpapalit. Mantala ito. Can't receive the flower. And he has friends.
Hindi daw nila naintindihan kasi English spoken dollars yung isa. I didn't understand at first because of the language.
Paano sila mag-uulog?
But Rose, nagpahulog na nga daw sila kanina.
Ano yung sundo?
Tapos sabi niya, Roselle is my favorite. She's so good. English.
Excuse me. How was the play, sir?
I loved the play. The play was amazing. Especially my favorite actress was actually Roselle.
Not me.
Ayaw ko nang hintay. Paggabi, sinusok ang wedding gown ko at naglalakad sa kalsada habang hinahanap siya.
Roselle? I'm so sorry. Roselle. was amazing.
Thank you! Hello, sir. How was the play, ma'am?
Oh, it was really good. I loved it. Bravo to the cast and to the director, my favorite.
Thank you!
It was good. I like the director. The director were very exquisite clothes, and I like their style, the style of the play, and the writer was also very good. I love that.
Okay, thank you po! Thank you po!
How was the play?
It's good, but the lights, my God, Renoa.
How was the halata?
And Rosel, sabi ni Rosel. Ang tagal naman ni Rosel.
True! How was the play, ma'am?
I don't know the story. Gulog na daw.
Nagulog na daw yung mga kaibigan ni Ken.
Nag-interview pa ako, 100 lang para yung hinulog. In English pa, be. English is spoken, tapos 100 pa.
Wala namang ano dito, Ken?
Pare-pare.
Kaya? Ito kaya? Ken? Lakas ng loob mo.
Ano, nagpabili pa ng bulaklak. Babawasan pa.
Oo. Kenti ko, magbayad niyang bulaklak mo. Bye! Well, ano sinasabi ni Ken sa mga artista? Pag yan, hindi na
Pag
bulog
yan,
na
mga
limandaan.
nanonood, yung mga nanonood sa inyo.
Eh, yung bisita niya.
Yung mga nanonood sa inyo, pag hindi na tulog.
Ang galing ng beat, oh! Ay, gala ako mag-uulog. 200! Tatlo sila! Nakakahadlang sa ano eh, Bandi.
Nandito tayo sa pinaka-traffic na
Pinili na lang niyang
May isa akong dadaanan.
Pati ito, oh.
Sabihin na sinabi ko sa ito.
Kami na lang ni Ashley. Naka-uniform ba yun yung mamasahin sa'yo, sir?
Yes. Extra service ba to?
Ay! Vice Mayor! Vlog to!
Hi, vlog!
Iba na hinihingi ngayon ng mga bata. Suspension of classes. Asik lang! Ay, akala ko si Atik lang.
Mula dun sa huli na napanood ko at nag-comment ako. Number one, I think, generally, yung run na yung gawin ko, malinis naman siya. Mas malino. Salamat naman ginawa niyo yung ilang comments ko. Kasi, I think kahit kayo naramdaman niyo na mas malinaw na yung intention. Yun siya.
Woohoo! Anong oras na, Ken? Anong oras na ba?
It's 9:36. It's the first time na uwi tayo ng ganitong oras.
Yay!
Kabila ka!
Can I just say, ang pogi ni Panther! Panther, ang gwapa mo naman!
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
So, dumating yung heels ko from online shopping. And hindi talaga ako sanay mag-heels because I've been using Crocs and rubber shoes all the time.
We have a formal event coming, yung anniversary nga ng theater group namin. Tapos binili ko yung heels, but then I think hindi ako magiging comfy. So yun. Dati kasi kung ako lang, talaga laban ko GL, ganda lang ang ilalaban ko. Pero ngayon, ano na ako, mas more on sa comfortable side na ako. Pero you're so cute naman dyan. So, bumili na ako ng bagong sandals. I won't be wearing my heels.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you.
Riley and Big Red, two sisters vlogging their hearts out. They'll do the 1,000 vlogs challenge.